Welcome to Bulunmaz. Here our new automatic color machine. I want to introduce you this machine. With this machine you can make the color with your bangles, rings, flat and round. First of all, I want to show you this panel for the control of the machine. Here, power switch. I open. Here are three settings of control panel. The first one is automatic settings, the second one is manual settings, the third one is machine settings. First, I want to introduce you automatic settings. There is the settings when you set up the machine, when you set up your tools. After you can set up the speed of the axis, y-axis and x-axis. You can set up the speed of the machine. These settings for color intensity. Here the manual settings page. There is 3 axes. You can move them manually. There is axis. I want to introduce you. The first one is y-axis. Here. The y-axis is this. You can make forward and backward. You can turn for the setup. The second one is x-axis. You can go to left, also right. The last axis is C-axis, the rotate axis. You can make the round bangles and rings. Also for the radio settings, we have one switch in the control panel. I want to show you. Here, DC motor active. You can make the disable. For the manual radius settings. Let's make one flat bangle together. For now, its model is finished. Let's look to color intensity. You can see the color different, like a rainbow. We have 5 different tools, 0.5, 0.7, 1, 2, and 3 millimeter. With these tools, you can get a different color intensity. Color intensity depends tool and speed and depth. You can get a different result. Thank you for watching us. You can get in contact with us for this machine details. Also, you can send a message for more details. If you're wondering about this machine, you can send the comments. Thank you for watching. See you again next videos.